How to redeem Temu promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Temu promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites you can easily get promo code for Temu. Firstly, I'm going to show you how can you get Temu promo code. So go ahead and open any of these websites. I'm going to open this one. After you open it, just scroll down. You're going to find amazing deals and offer, $100 off, 10% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on Show Coupon. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Copy. Then click on View Discount at Temu. You will be directed to the official website of Temu. Now you can log into your account. Select the items that you want to purchase. Add those items to the cart and then proceed to checkout. Once you land to the checkout page, when you are in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of coupons. Tap on that option, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, your code will be redeemed. Well, this way you can easily redeem promo codes on Temu. By following the same process, you can easily redeem any promo code on Temu. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.